Hello guys, here we are with another YouTube tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to create this shimmery warm brown look, so stay tuned. Before anything, I'm going to start off with my eyebrows using glue stick and then wipe off any excess that I might have around my eyebrows. Then I'm going to fill in any gaps in my eyebrows with brow gel. This one is from Inglot in shade Truffle. And also I'm using super small precise brush for this to make small strokes. For my base today, I'm mixing shades 03 and 0 from PLouise. Usually I use number 2 for this, but number 3 has more neutral tone to it. Number 2 is more peachy tone. And making sure that everything is well blended and that I covered everything around my eye area. Now using Bperfect Carnival palette, I'm using shade Intuition. But before I continue with other colors, I'm using light shimmery color from Juvias Place and adding that light underneath my eyebrow so that my next color can blend easily with that light color. And my next color was from same palette, it's shade Whole. Then I took my time and make sure that all edges are well blended. To cut my crease, I'm using Vaseline and then I'm using flat brush, but it's really important that the brush you're using is really thin so it can make sharp line. I will remove any excess of the product and then going in with blank canvas to make cut crease. This is actually open cut crease that I'm doing today. Just above this shading that I did, I used a small portion of cut crease and filling it in with some brown glitter. To set this glitter, I used actually my regular eyelash glue, but you don't have to do it because it is a bit heavy for your eyelids, so it's better to use any regular gels that are made for glitter. To connect everything, I closed this crease following the end of my lash line and just connecting it with other portion of this crease. Then I went backwards with my eyeshadow, starting with darkest eyeshadow and just filling everything from the darkest to lightest eyeshadow as well, but it is really important to use same base underneath. My eyelashes are in style Velvet from Kiss brand. What I didn't capture on my camera somehow, I used shade Inspire from Bperfect Carnival palette as well. And for my lower lash line, I used shade Fade and Whole. I also finished everything with some mascara. And that is it when it comes to eyes. Guys, I hope you liked this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye!